Hello, this is Selena from Discharge WGP Mini-UPS. Today I will introduce our Optima 302 to our friend. This is Optima 302 package. In the UPS 302 package, it has one use manual, one warranty card, and one cue card. And this is UPS 302. We can see. There has 4 LED indicators, and this is WGP logo, and it has 4 outputs. It has a dual 12 volt. The 12 volt is 2 amperes, and one 9 volt. 9 volt is 1 amperes, and one USB port. It supports QC 3.0 and is 5 volt and 9 volt. This yellow port is input. It's 12 volt. In this package, we can see it has 2 DC lines. We can connect the output and connect our device like a Wi-Fi router or 1U. This is the UPS switch. Turn on it. We can see already turn on. Just connect to our device. That's all. Thanks.